2a, bring out the relation between liberty, equality and justice. Bring out the relation between liberty, equality and justice. So this they asked for 20 marks. Okay. So you need to determine what is the relation between liberty, equality and justice. See what some people have written, I don't know a few answers what I related, just written on what is liberty, what is equality, what is justice. Question is not what is liberty, question is how they are interrelated. So you can write your introduction saying that the idea of justice is standing on the pillars of liberty and equality. Then you can going to say that when we look at the relation between liberty, equality and justice, we have multiple aspects. Okay, one you can divide your answer into, one you can bring the arguments of the neo-liberals, right? According to neoliberals, what is justice? According to them, for them justice is more about enhancing individual liberty, and for them liberty and equality are antithetical. Antithetical means what? They can't coexist. So write one or two scholars here, Hayek, Nozick. So Hayek says social justice is a mirage. Don't sacrifice liberty for sake of equality, otherwise you will lose both liberty as well as equality. Understood? That is one angle. You need to explain, but I have just told. Second angle what you can bring is of the communists or the Marxists. Argue that to bring justice, it is equality that is more important than liberty. For them, liberty is a bourgeois concept. The working class largely needs to achieve what? Equality. They believe in achieving equality of outcomes, for which you can take away liberty. But again, what is the critics argue that here is that you can say it is not justified to sacrifice liberty for sake of equality, then it will lead to what? Dictatorship or totalitarianism. You can bring the criticism of Hannah Arendt. But then you balance your view towards the end of usually the positive liberals. That is what? Principle Hans Barker only. So what he says that according to him, liberty should be qualified by the principle of equality. Liberty should not be largely seen just as absence of restrictions. It should be also seen that what liberty you enjoy, it should be equally distributed. And what does he say? He says liberty of some results in serfdom for others. At the same time, Barker also argues that any equality not qualified by the principle of fraternity is useless. So equality, they cannot be just seen as absence of discrimination. There should be also an element of fraternity, means affirmative action. And hence he says that when liberty is qualified by equality and equality is qualified by fraternity, that results in social justice. Hence you can say both liberty and equality are the foundations of the idea of justice. That you can write as your conclusion. So that is how I would structure my answer, by starting with the argument of neoliberals, then going into communists, and finally going into what? The positive liberals.